How you doing, young man?
He's freezing. My damn heater cord blocked. I had to block. Yeah.
No, you think you're right up here in the heat?
We're men. We could do that, right? This
Don't
guy's
let him
construction.
lie to you like that, man. That doesn't make you a man.
I got a choice. Wake up, sleepyhead.
Your destination is on the left. That's a nice truck.
Yeah, I know. It's a old square body.
You've got mail.
Which car are you picking up?
I'm checking out the minivan. Just got here. Let's take a look at it. Ooh. Let's see. Staff sergeant. It's got rust. It's like my blue one. A little banged up on the side. They did some rust repairs. Hold that. Hold on. Let me look under it because these things usually rust out. It's got some rust on the chassis. Yeah, it has rust on the chassis. A little bit. Chad?
Yes.
What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Good. I was getting the title. That's what
No, that's cool.
I'd have been here.
Yeah, it does have some rust on the chassis. I was under there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I didn't think I had any rust, but yeah. So does it spin at all, or what's it do?
The battery's dead.
Battery's dead. Can I try it with a jump box?
Yeah.
Just want to see what it does.
Absolutely.
Yeah, let me try to fire it up. See if you have the key.
I think it's in there.
Is it in there? Let me try. Ah, shit. Ah. What was it doing? Was it still running, or?
Yeah.
This didn't have any power. Maybe. Let me get some starter fluid. See if it'll. If it lost all compression.
Maybe. It did. I was driving along and it just went
Just oof,
boom, and when it was fired, it just didn't. It wouldn't.
and that was it.
That was it. I mean, it kept running. I had to actually physically turn it off, but it just didn't have any.
Yeah, it sounds like the compression, which is odd because these are usually good little motors, man. It's a little rougher than I expected, the rust. That was my main thing. Will you take 3.5 for it? I'll take it away right now. And I'm a dealer, so I can notarize the title. It's not a problem. Yeah, that's cool. I got tools if you need tools. No, hell no.
Come on.
BMWs are a pain in the ass. I got tools right here. The toolbox. What's up with the BMW?
Jump timing.
Oh, that's a V8 too, man.
Yep.
Yeah, they're a pain in the ass.
Yep. Especially that year.
That's got a
Bought the
4.0, I think, or something like that.
Yeah, 4.4, something like that.
Yeah, I got burnt by.
BIOS motor.
Yeah, I got burnt by BMWs, man. I don't mess with them. I stay with GM. Because we are not a motor for this. I could probably find on Facebook for like $250-300.
Yeah.
Yeah,
If I had more time.
it's a pain in the ass to do them. You got to drop the whole front suspension.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not easy. Trust me. You got to drop the whole front suspension out of it.
Oh my God.
And the problem is the bolts are rusted. I looked at it, so I'm like, I know what I'm up against.
Yeah.
Let me give you a hand, man. Here, count that money. Let me do it. Count that money. We'll get it off.
How you doing, young man?
He's freezing. My damn heater cord blocked. I had to block. Yeah,
No, you think you're right up here in the heat?
we're men. We could do that, right? This
Don't
guy's
let him
construction.
lie to you like that, man. That doesn't make you a man.
I ain't got no choice.
That's funny.
Supposed to be on my side, man.
Yeah, I hear you.
All right, let me. Yeah, heater cord got plugged, man. What is it? Yeah.
It's always something, man.
Yeah.
Always something.
You're right.
Never fails. Ever.
Hey, can we get rid of those lights? I mean, can we get rid of those things? Those lights? I don't know what the hell to do with them. I don't want to get stuck with them because then I got to get rid of them. And I got to grab your tag off too.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, if they're metal, I'll scrap them. But
Yeah, metal.
are they all metal?
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck, we'll leave
Just
them
these
there.
little lights here.
You know what? Leave them
That's
there.
anything. And they're bright.
Are
I
they?
bet you they're $200 lights, dude.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
they're LEDs.
are they?
Yeah. They're bright as shit.
All right, locked and loaded. My friend.
Sir, nice to meet you.
Thank you much. Pleasure.
Yeah.
Pleasure. Good luck with everything.
We'll buy a truck.
How much?
$6,000.
How much?
$6,000.
Let me play the lottery tonight. If I win, I'll be giving you a call. I'll be sending you a message. Take it easy, bud.
It's warmer.
That's the way it feels warmer here. Where's my phone? You got it? No.
Head southeast on Old Stonehouse Road north toward Hummingbird Lane.
What's up, my amigo?
Good.
One Powerball, sir. Oh, sure, I'm gonna change. You want something? Okay. Check that. See if Daddy's still a loser. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Still a loser, Tony. All right, baloney, let's unload it. That one. Don't get behind it. I pull it out. I put the ramps in. Alright, so most people, it's just an Astro van, no big deal. But most Astro vans are V6 automatic. This one is special because it's got 3 pedals and it's got 5 gears. Also, it has a 2.5 Iron Duke, the same engine in the S10 pickups, just like my S10. So the guy said the motor was bad, started losing power, and it just shut off. I don't think there's anything wrong with the motor. I think it's either the timing, either the ignition module, computer, because mine, I had the other one I have, because I have 2 of these. Now there's a second one. The computer went bad in the other one. Or it could be this has a plastic timing gear, not a chain, a gear. Sometimes they strip and they wear out, but at 98,000 miles, I don't think that's the problem. I think it's an ignition problem or a fuel pump problem. I'm not going to screw with it today. He wanted $500 for it. I got it for $350, and it's packed full of LED lights. So these lights, I don't know how, I'm going to count how many there has there. These are going to go for sale. Let's see how many I got. I'm going to put these for sale along with the toolbox that's in there. Let's see. There's a aluminum toolbox that I'm not going to use right here. So that all that stuff is going for sale. So whatever I get from all these lights and stuff, probably a couple $100. The van will be free. So I'm gonna pull the lights out so I can count them. Actually, I can stand them right there this way. I don't have any room in my garage. I don't have any room anywhere. There's so much junk.
What he said.
What?
What he said.
You better watch it. All this junk is going to be yours and your brother's. You want my junk? Huh? You know you like my junk. Put that in the garage. Just paint better. Shoot, there's a lot of lights.